Okay.
What we want to run? Sir Sprawl?
We usually start sprawl here.
Okay.
How's the spectate seat there, True?
It is very good.
Very good. Do you have like
I'm
the
learning.
freeform camera?
I'm watching from Aura's perspective, and I'm watching some from Vic's perspective.
But not Neo.
I don't think I'll ever be a DPS.
Okay, that's fair.
But at least I can learn from you guys for tanking.
Do not learn from me.
Okay,
Unless you
I'll
want to go to
spectate
bronze.
Oz actually.
So I
Alright,
have
so
this
what I'm
5-year-old
doing right
kid I
now is
babysit.
actually
He's teaching me
extremely
calculus.
important.
What'd you say?
Learning a lot.
What I'm doing right now is actually extremely important.
Are you breaking bubbles?
I'm breaking the drones.
Yeah.
you. No, those are the balloons.
This is
These
the
are
one I want
balloons.
up here, Oz. This balloon, I want that one.
Yeah. Yeah, you're not gonna get that one.
Alright, we got all the balloons, we got all the drones.
Alright, here we go.
Here we go. Here we go.
Monkey.
Birds aren't real.
Echo.
They have pharmacy, or what was Echo? Echo C.
Monkey purple.
Double bubble.
Good
Prepare for
purple.
reflect. Oh, never mind. Yeah, it's full dive.
Oh, Genji too.
Alright, sitting on
Bubble.
point, sitting on point, sitting on point.
It's careful, Neo.
Monkey diving in.
Monkey, monkey, monkey. Alright, we got
Ow.
a Zarya on the right. Zarya, Genji right, everyone else is left, and Ryan needs heals, please.
Ana
Ryan
died.
needs heals
I'm
bad.
dead.
Ana's
'cause
dead.
Oh shit, okay, backing up. We gotta give him space here. We cannot
Yeah.
fight this yet. Wait, what?
When
Oh, Genji.
when we call that they're playing a dive comp, that means we group up. Underneath cover, hopefully. That would
Okay.
be, yeah.
So just hug like the
We
the
hug
little-
that corner so that they can't actually dive someone.
Fair enough.
They engage on a team fight, and that's when Brawl fights.
Yeah. So play this corner for now. Actually,
that's
can we
when
rush
you
high
have
ground?
to
Rush
drop
high ground?
down and-
Yeah,
Yeah, rush high ground right now.
Can we take low ground?
No,
Actually,
absolutely not.
Why?
because we're sprawl, so we.
No,
They
they
don't-
have to dive to us.
Okay.
Yeah, well, that doesn't work. We can drop
For now,
Ryan.
like, if we're gonna...
See how hard it is for them to
Genji
dive us,
Monkey, monkey dead.
Nice
and they're
kill.
hardly getting any
Okay.
cart push.
They have to get dedicated dive to us, which means that they can
Mercy's
push with
one.
maybe one
Stay up
person.
here, watching left, scouting.
Watch
No,
out.
nothing.
I can't see you under there.
Oh, no. I'm behind
Genji's
you
about
guys.
to have blade, so
Yeah, we're gonna rock and destroy him. I killed Echo.
nice kills.
We killed
Nice.
Mercy.
Nice kills. All right, let's drop and kill. No,
Yeah,
no,
drop now.
No, don't
No,
drop,
no, no,
don't drop.
Okay,
No, I was
fine.
wrong. I was very wrong.
I didn't mind that. As long as we got back up quick. Depends on how quick you can do the cleanup.
Because their monkey's just gonna.
I guess their monkey does
pull
just
down.
jump out. You might be able to kill their Zarya there, but that's the
No,
only
I
value
don't
you
think
get.
so. It was a dumb call on my part.
Okay.
Genji.
Echo right.
He's looking for a blade.
He really wants it. Yeah. I do not have shatter for this. I simply do not build charge here. Shield's low.
Alright, you can go fight him.
Monkey's dead.
Monkey's here. I got blade, or I got a Reinhardt blade, whatever that is. What the shiny monkey is this shit? They're pushing card
Ow.
under. I'm gonna shatter here.
Okay.
Shatter.
That shiny monkey shit
Got
was
one.
still the honor.
Oh, no.
They win that fight. Okay, what do we need to change? Because this is.
Can we
I
go
need to
like
change.
can we go like a brig based double shield with Orisa
We could have. I gotta
Yeah.
either drop off or spawn room now.
spawn?
Just
I think we
I
go
mean, I
we go
can't-
like
Yeah,
double
hold this first
shield
corner.
and like really
Okay,
tanky.
holding first
this
corner.
first corner is good for Brawl.
Mm-hmm.
Yep,
We all
I
group
agree.
up here.
Okay, fine.
No, I agree with that.
We
By the
can
way,
switch
don't-
after.
I'm fire striking to get deflect out of Genji. Like, he's gonna keep doing that to me.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Me too,
He's in
Aura.
on the hard.
Front line's nasty. Front line's nasty as hell.
Got one.
Echo behind. Nice.
Echo
Rocks.
dead.
Rocks have been so on point, Oz. It's bananas.
Thank you.
Alright.
Yeah, but bananas, I mean, full of potassium and very yellow.
And good for you?
They have Brawl
Yes.
now. They don't have that.
Oh,
Good for
I
this.
like it.
They went
I like it.
brawl. Excellent. I
No,
like
they went drawl. As you still have
that.
Genji.
Brawl.
They have Genji Diva.
There's still a Rhine core.
Have they made it
Yeah.
yet?
They're still
Yeah,
drawling.
good.
They have. It's the other Rhine this time. It's a different Rhine. Diva above. Hug left. Wall with me.
Oh no.
Need help. Need help. Thank you.
You're fine.
That's a Genji behind.
Fine.
Ulting.
I'm better than fine. I'm charged up. And flying. Hi,
Bye.
Anna. I'm fucked. Have a nice day, guys.
Hi, fuck.
No.
It's funnier that you said that as you died, you know?
Alright, take a Risa.
Oh, yeah, okay.
And stick close to me.
Where are you?
I'll stick close to you. I'll come to you.
Okay.
My immortality field here. Big kill on Echo. Big rally. We can walk to cart. Just walk to cart.
Genji behind somewhere?
I think Genji's on Yuri.
Genji's on me. Okay,
Genji
no more ults, no
behind.
more ults.
Hi, Bob.
Bye, Bob.
Kill Anna, kill Anna.
Working on her.
Genji
Nice.
Diva
Genji point,
behind.
Genji point, Diva point.
They're actually feeding over there.
Yeah, a little bit. I can't chase him, though. I'm
Ryan
sitting on my
charged
throne.
Bob
This is
out,
where
so-
Risa lives now. Behold me in my mighty horse throne.
Exactly.
That's horse with an H-O-R-S.
I'm gonna also jump on the throne. Hold on, let me get on top of you. Oh, I can't get on top of you.
Did you
Fucking.
try?
shit,
Like,
I
try
tried.
harder.
No, I have to be an enemy to jump on top. I can't collide with a teammate.
They dare fire strike my throne? Kill them.
Kill all of them.
What they
Big
deserve.
left pick.
Fade lamp.
Incoming bullshit.
What? I had. What? Oh,
I
that's
don't
so
know, man.
stupid, dude.
Rhine shield. Rhine shield. Oh, never mind. Rhine. They have ult economy here. We don't.
Echo dead.
I am having not a good time.
Huge. Good kills.
Still alive.
They lost both
Oh my
TPS.
god, fabled.
Diva on me.
Okay,
Honest
never
one.
mind.
Honest one. Nice kill, Neo. XC, do the dancey dance.
Kill this bap.
Give
Doing
your
the
fancy
dance
dance. Look at him go. He's a bouncy boy.
No way, I literally stunned him. The animation went off and everything.
Oh.
What the hell?
That's round point. Good job.
Big,
Hey,
do you
guys.
like my
Little far.
little Dan?
Yeah, that was fucking hilarious.
Yeah.
So guys, just to be clear, the Ana snuck up on me and slept me from behind my shield. Like she basically teabagged the throne and then popped me one with
Shit.
the start. A little embarrassed, but still fucking hilarious. Okay, I'm moving up with you guys.
I actually almost have another ult.
Genji's here.
Oh, no. Not like this.
Yeah, well. Diva 1, Diva 1.
No.
Bongos in 2, 1, bongos.
Oh god.
My beautiful face.
Oh, I had ult. That
Oh god.
sucks.
Oh no.
God damn it. Our ults were better. We didn't ult. We had like a bunch, and we just died too quick.
Bongoed?
I got shattered and then knocked up and then died.
Are you preggers now? You got knocked up?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Congratulations.
Pregante.
Pregante.
Organanan.
Ergananan.
Can we do sprawl and take the high ground behind him?
Yeah, I'm into it.
What do you mean, like TP from left high ground to center high ground on point? What do you mean?
No, like take the stairs up to the right side, and then take the stairs down from the right side, and then go.
Go around. Okay, yeah,
Nope.
I'm into that.
And
But
then-
Big, he has to play Ryan.
I'm playing run.
Yeah,
Okay. Just tell me
I'm
where to
gonna
tell
lose
you.
you're on rectangle,
You
man.
want Lucio then,
I'm not
right?
I am mighty rectangle.
Yeah.
I'm mighty rectangle.
Yeah, actually,
What?
Lucio Mercy is good.
Meow, meow, meow,
oh, beautiful.
Lucio's better.
Oh my god, the May wall is gonna be so fun.
meow,
It's gonna be kind of gross.
meow, meow. Oh, meow. Why am I
Are you
glitching?
trying to make it go clockwise or counterclockwise?
Doesn't matter. We're gonna troll him either way he says.
This is ah,
Doesn't matter.
Big. I hate you so much.
I know.
Oh, God.
Alright, guys, watch the Junkrat trap. Just kidding.
Kick it out on the
Really? Alright, so where are we telling from?
We're not telling.
No tellies.
We're just going up the
just go
stairs.
Right side, right side, right side, right side. Stairs.
Working on it. Nice shield, Oz.
Thanks.
All right,
You want
behind, down the stairs. Don't peek,
around
don't
to
peek,
the
don't
right,
peek,
take a
don't
right, take a
peek,
right.
don't peek.
Hard right, hard right. We're healthy. We're
All
healthy.
right, we have a Maywall. We have a Maywall.
Almost there.
Maywall him off.
Wall them off and go upstairs.
Oh, I fucked up. My bad.
Oh, okay.
We're not dead. Alright, spam the fuck out of him. I am Mr. Rectangle Man. Oz, drop,
Hi,
drop,
this is
drop,
my
drop.
high ground now.
I killed 2.
I'm working on Risa.
That was creative. Good job, guys.
That was
I like
really
it.
brilliant.
That was awesome.
Speed run.
Holy shit, dude.
Lovely, wonderful.
That was about the best we've ever executed that.
That was
That was
really
so
well
good.
That was
Switched to
really
monkey right away.
0.1 speed run on both sides. He's pushing. Okay.
All right, I'm on cart.
We got upper left. Don't even try going down main. We're gonna go
Can we
upper
just
left.
hold cart with XZ or do we join you up there?
Take high ground.
Can we have a Lucio push cart? We
Can
need
we
we
get
need
there?
XZ up here because Lucio has speed and like you can speed back when the fight actually
They've
starts
gone
happening.
monkeys. They're back to double bubble.
Okay.
All right.
What?
Fine.
Echo's on cart.
Oh my god! I jumped off.
Echo's
Oh,
on
that
cart.
was almost so good.
That was
Echo on
almost
cart?
perfect, dude. I'm dropping.
We killed Echo. Nice.
Scary. Drop, 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 drop,
Monkey's
drop.
on cart.
Stay close. Stabilize. Stabilize the point. Stabilize the point. Come back to point.
Working on it.
Monkey,
Dying
monkey,
back
monkey.
here really quick. We
Monkey
have
one?
no healers. I am so boned. Oh god. Running away, dying. Oz,
Okay.
this is dangerous. Okay.
Chuckles, I'm in danger.
Yeah, if we're gonna do that, we need someone closer to cart to peel.
Okay.
Yeah, you're right.
Again, I
I'll
can just
take
hold
it.
cart and make cart a non-object for them while you guys are.
That does
pushing them
no.
back.
We have to have you in the front line. Doesn't make.
All right. First, I have to put May up on a pedestal.
Okay.
Okay, we're good. All right, going up left.
Yeah.
There's a trap here.
I don't. Oh, we're split. I hate this.
Okay.
They're playing dive.
Another
Let's just run
go.
cart. Let's just go cart.
Run cart.
Sta-
They're back.
like
Back.
Okay, run
Or
cart.
stabilize
run
on right.
cart.
Stabilize on right. Stabilize Ryan.
Break bubble and shatter. Break bubble and shatter. Nice. Love the bob there, by the way. That's fucking evil.
Oh,
Yeah.
Maybe. Dude, the bob is sinister. That was fucked up. Whose bob
there's
is
an
that?
echo
Is that
behind
Neo?
us by choke.
Just echo.
Yeah, just leave her.
I'm
We
gonna
can
push
get
way
like a
up.
lot on cart.
Join me way up.
I'm
We
just
want 3
watching
on cart because we can earn this. We're just watching
hard
Echo behind.
left. Echo hard left.
That boop is insane, dude.
choke. Ryan diff.
Easily.
Yeah. Brig, brig, brig. Keep on that brig. Keep on the brig.
She's frozen.
Master
Oh,
Dea.
that's over.
Monkey's
Nice.
behind.
Monkey is behind. Heard.
Okay.
Monkey is no
69,
longer
69.
behind.
We got point. We got
Monkey
point.
is still behind. Monkey
Nice.
is definitely behind. Angry monkey behind.
Where's the Junkrat? Oh, he's up there. He's behind the pylon sign.
Get off my healers, monkey. Jesus. How many times I gotta tell you?
Oh my god. Hey, pig.
Hey.
There's a baby diva by
She's
Oh, I
on
almost
the
had him. Did you see that shit? I almost had that son of a bitch.
There's no
Watch the
longer
trap.
a-
Trap, 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 trap. Got him.
Oh, thanks.
I was trying to exo boots into it.
Switch to
Would've been really
Doomfist.
cool. And
Yeah.
Okay, good call.
All right. Switch to the Gloom Fist. I got it. Okay.
And Ryan. We're running in.
Doom's going far left. Yeah, DM that shit. DM,
There's a
DM my
Junkrat
fire
right side.
Steven. Focus up on cart. We're gonna keep on cart for a little while. High
Just
ground where
spamming.
you have to.
Doomfist high ground
It
above
walks-
us. Hurry, guys.
Oh my god, this ride.
Killed the Ryan.
Fuck you, Doom. Oh, I missed him.
Oh, I'm
What
running.
do you do?
Get her, get her, get her. She's fucked.
I just booped her to the other side.
Diva D back.
Break, 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 break. Okay, I got shield for that. Just don't let the Doom hit me. Okay, cool.
That'd be so good if he did.
That would be hilarious.
Doom,
Doom, man,
Doom.
get out of my face, dude.
Doom
Ryan
behind. Doom,
shield.
doom, 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 doom.
Run, run. Down.
They're all frozen.
Get him! Mess him up! Oh, Oz, that's just nasty, bro.
You're not wrong.
Get him!
Oh, are you kidding me?
They are not fat kidding.
That rally. Oh my god.
Wait, you're still
Really?
alive? Holy shit.
Get
Yeah.
her. Oh,
Oh, not anymore.
That rally, dude.
I do.
Oh, pig, no. Oh god,
Doom.
wait, are we in this?
Hey, no!
We're May is in this.
You're 5 in that.
Okay.
May is good. We're here. We're here. We're fighting with wall. Fighting with wall.
Thank you.
Do I have healers? Can I go?
Yeah, I'm with
Yeah.
you.
Okay, W it is then.
Neo needs
Hi,
health.
Ryan.
Doom, 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 doom.
You heard the nice man. Break it.
Oh, we got it off.
Ryan's on the ground. We get. We lost Fable to that. We lost Fable to that. We're on
Res block,
just
res
XD
block.
heals. Okay, we're out. We're done here. Save your ults. Save your ults.
Team behind.
Ow.
Okay, yeah,
Oh.
burn that, baby. Burn that hammer. Do it. Good. Good.
Yikes.
No, no, no.
Cool
Let him have it. He
use
got
of an
bloodthirsty
ult
and he wasted his
for-
shatter.
Cleanup, yeah.
Yeah, why shatter on cleanup? We still have shatter and window, so we can window fire strike after a shatter and just wreck them.
Neo's going Reaper and not a Sombra just because she's a nice person. She has class, okay? If she's gonna counter Reaper, she's not gonna do
That's
that
true.
hard.
Class she has, nice person she is not. I've seen her do some horrible things.
True.
Alright, who wants junk?
I'm shooting junk, kind of.
Your mom.
Damn.
I
Your
mean,
mom
you're
wants
not
this
wrong,
junk.
but-
Dunk's one.
Get the run, get the run! Oh fuck, I got the brig instead.
Oh my god.
I'm behind the
Doom
wall.
and behind, Doom behind. We might need more Doom
he's not.
counters. This is a problem.
Oh,
Good, we're good.
Or
Three
not.
on cart, 3 on cart, 3 on cart.
Wow, never
You're
mind.
mine, actually.
Team kill, baby. We
Wow,
got
War
this.
Chief. Good job.